I started with MALDI in 1988. This was in the course of my diploma thesis, which I conducted under the supervision of the inventors of MALDI, Hans Hillenkamp and Michael Carras. We were building our instruments for a long time ourselves. There were certainly highlights as well as up and downs, and sometimes projects didn't produce what we expected in the beginning. If you take the sum of these results, even if sometimes negative, they provided the basis then for the next steps. And ultimately, they were necessary also to develop the post-ionization techniques. The three main puzzle stones were pressure, white laser, wavelengths and adjustment of the parameters. So after 2014 we first published the science paper, and I think this was really a game changer.
At a conference in San Diego, I talked to Jens Höndorf from Broekhoff with research and development, and then we stayed in touch and started thinking about how we could maybe do something together on that area, and then we were thinking about best ways to actually get the second laser into the timsTOF instrument.
You already have a compact ion source, this dual ion funnel device that is tuned to work optimal for MALDI imaging. It's really engineering art, and now on top of this we had to bring in a second laser in a way that it didn't disturb the other features.
Second step was just building a prototype, and then we got the prototype to Münster and optimized it, and then Bremen took over and the engineers took over and made it a sturdy and nice instrument. The whole process of having the idea to actually having an instrument that you can buy, it was exceptionally fast how this happened. So I think it was only a year and a half from the prototype being delivered to Münster to having the reveal at the ASMS. I don't think that would have worked without working really closely between us in the lab doing things they wouldn't want to do in Bremen, because it's not really how it works in an R&D lab, drilling holes and things, and maybe just fixing a mirror with tape. And on the other hand, them making those quick solutions into something that really works. I would definitely recommend working with Bruker as a developing partner. It was really open, really nice, constructive atmosphere especially with the R&D people, but with everybody else as well.